feel like I need to do a massive apology. I know that I have been a little MIA over the last week or so. To be honest, I don't really have, well, a major reason behind it. I'm very intuitive with myself and it just felt like I needed to have a little bit of a break. Had a lot going on with work, had a lot going on with just kind of supporting Jord with some footy stuff, and then, hence why I sound so congested, I got a pretty nasty cold, and so I was pretty much in bed from Thursday, today's Tuesday, until yesterday, and yesterday was my first time out of bed, so it hit me pretty hard. And when I get sick, I tend to just need to stop doing everything, chill out, rest, recover. It's generally my body's way of saying you've done too much and you need to chill the hell out. So I listened and I did it, and I'm feeling a hell of a lot better today, thank God. I've woke up to the most beautiful sight outside. We're in for really cold weather this week and it's been snowing all night. So beautiful. Woken up to a winter wonderland. All the roofs are white, the ground is white. I was thinking the other day that I haven't really done like an apartment tour of our place. That being said, you've pretty much just seen all of it in one go. It's just a 2-bedroom little place, but it's looking very beautiful. But as I said, I haven't been well, so I haven't been doing much filming. I've just been laying real low. For me, being sick is just about getting a lot of sleep, keeping warm, just eating nourishing foods, and just really listening to my body and knowing that I need to take it slow. So I've been really relaxed, catching up on a bunch of Netflix shows, just chilling out. But I'm really excited to film. I'm gonna film for you this week, and I'm just gonna basically do a bunch of snippets of our week. But you'll just get to see bits and pieces of what we get up to. No doubt there'll be plenty of food because I'm cooking some really awesome stuff this week. Geordie plays an away game this week, so I won't be able to film his game because, but it's a TV game. So I'll show you some of it on the TV, no doubt, because that's what I'll be doing with my Friday night, is sitting at home watching his game on the TV. Which sounds really weird, but I just realized I don't know if people would know this, but Super League games over here don't all get played on TV like they do at home, like with the NRL. So there's a handful of TV games each weekend from all of the games that are played, and so Jordan hasn't had a TV game yet this season. This will be his first one. So yeah, as I said, today's Tuesday, so that means it's a work day for me. So I'm gonna take you along with me for the walk in the snow, which, to be honest, terrifies me a little, because the last time I went for a walk in this kind of snow, I had to hold on to Jordan for dear life. Like, I didn't realize how slippery snow is, which sounds stupid because snow is ice, but I wasn't prepared for that. So hopefully this time, seeing as I'm going solo, I won't be sliding around everywhere like bloody Bambi. But I'll take you along with me, you can experience it with me, and then we'll get to the gym and I'll have to set up my class. Is served. I'm having my favourite brekkie, which I've shown you guys a variation of before. This time I couldn't get Cavolo Nero, which is my favourite green, so I got Rainbow Shard instead, which is quite similar. It's just not as like dense, I suppose. It's a little bit more like of a gentle leaf, but you include the stems as well. They're really good and nice and fibrous. Gluten-free brown bread, organic free-range scrambled eggs, I had 2 of those, and some fermented sauerkraut on top. This one's just one that I get from Abel & Cole, which is by Hurly Burly, and it's a carrot, jalapeno, and cabbage mix. So just good for your gut health, and I put some apple cider vinegar on top of my greens, mostly because I really like the taste of it, but also because it's good for digestive health as well. Happy Wednesday, guys. We're snowed in.
We are. Snow day.
It's a snow day. Luckily, it's a day off for the both of us.
Yes.
But we're going to go brave the elements anyway because we have to go to the shops.
Food is more important than being snowed in.
Yeah. Apparently this is nicknamed the Beast from the East. I think that's being a bit dramatic personally, but it's a lot of snow. snow. And it's been pretty much snowing all night.
Yeah, at least a good 6 hours of snow.
And it's not supposed to stop anytime soon.
Fun days.
Yep. Taking refuge.
It's too cold.
It's too cold.
Nothing's open here till 9
The
o'clock.
coffee shop isn't open, so we're just patiently waiting inside the shopping centre.
Out of the elements.
Because it's just a bit of a joke.
Yeah, it's not nice. It's not.
It's kind of exciting.
Well, I definitely haven't experienced anything this like this before.
It's
this
crazy.
This is my third winter, so
Yeah.
or third winter I've done
This is like unusual though. Like this is not in the ordinary.
It never snows in the cities, like it
Yeah.
never snows in Leeds or barely ever. And if it does, it's not very much coverage. But today, it's like next level.
It's snowing. So we're going out, we're getting a coffee, we're getting the things we need for the house, and then we're not leaving the house.
Stay warm. You gotta stay warm.
I feel like I look ridiculous right now.
No, you look warm though.
Thanks.
I look like I'm underdressed, but I've actually got three. I've got a shirt on, a jumper, and a jumper.
Just doing a little Arvo update. We haven't really done much, so there's not much to update you on.
No.
J-Ranks is over here eating all my fruit and nut mix stash. That's fine. No
It's either
drums.
that or eating toast, and I don't want to have toast.
Well, you've had how many slices so far today? Two. I've been cooking, mostly. I made a fresh batch of my banana bread, and this time I didn't have an extra banana to put on the top. So I put raspberry jam rippled through the top, and it's turned out really well. It's actually really yummy. And I'm about to marinate some chicken with tandoori sauce that I made, which will be our dinner tonight. Which looks like that. I just made my own spice blend and mixed it with coconut yogurt. Usually you make tandoori with regular yogurt, but dairy-free me went for coconut yogurt, so I'll put that on the chicken. So yeah, that's about all I have to report. I'll show you the finished product for dinner tonight because I think it's going to turn out quite well, hopefully. How good is it?
So good.
Are you excited?
Looks amazing.
Made my own tandoori paste from scratch using my coconut yogurt and my spices. This, I know it's a mix of cuisines. You've got Indian, and then that's Lebanese, which is like a lentil rice that's all spicy. You put fried onions on that, which are on the table, and a tomato salsa.
How good does it look?
Good morning, guys. It is now Thursday, and Thursday means it is the first day of spring. So I've officially survived my first English winter. However, this is what I've woken up to. It is legit blizzarding. Like, it hasn't stopped all night long, still snowing like crazy. It's supposed to get really windy today. So, nice to see you, spring, I suppose. Like, I don't really know what to do with this. There is like big chunks of snowflake falling at the moment. And guess who gets to walk to work today? Me, I do. Yep, I get to walk 20 minutes in these conditions to get to work, and tell you what, fingers crossed that someone shows up for my class today, because you will not know the level of filth I will have if I walk 20 minutes in a blizzard to get to work for no one to be there and have to walk 20 minutes back again. But yeah, that's a positive way to start Thursday. So spring here, and it's -4. Actually, on a positive note though, I had a really exciting YouTube development last night. And if you follow big YouTubers who have been doing this for years and years and all that jazz, you'll probably have a laugh at me and think I'm a bit of a loser. But in exciting news, I hit over 100 subscribers on my channel. And I'm not gonna lie. I woke up this morning, I checked my YouTube as I always do because I like to see if anyone's left me a comment and some love. And I saw that I had hit 101 and I was on 99 the day before. And I legitimately squealed a little bit because I was that excited. But I just want to say thank you if you are a subscriber. If you aren't a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and give me a follow. Going to the outlets, going to the outlets. Yes.
Pretty much going to one shop.
Just going to Nike. What's up, guys? Happy Friday. It's a new day. Damn. Not feeling those vibes. We're doing a bit of retail therapy today. J-Ranks and I have been quite, what's the word, disciplined with our budgeting and our spending. I'm actually very proud of us. We've been following the Barefoot Investors strategy, and it means that we've got a bit of money to blow.
We do.
We're doing a bit of retail therapy, and we're just going to indulge a bit because God knows neither of us have bought new clothes in I don't even know how long.
Long time.
A long time.
Hawaii, maybe?
Yeah. So it's gonna be a good day. So we're just at the Nike outlet now, which is Jordan's favourite place in the whole world.
That's where my money's all going.
And we're gonna see what we can get. Where else would we be? Except for looking at heavy boots. Look at the face on him. Oh, guys, if only you knew what I put up with in the car. Big dog treated himself, didn't he?
Oh.
You could have gone ham.
I could have gone crazy.
But
I could always go crazy.
Yeah, I know, you love that place.
I love Nike.
That one's the hoodie.
That's hoodie.
Which is nice.
It's quite nice.
Yep.
And then pretty much exactly the same.
Same material.
Without the hood, really.
Just like a sweatshirt. A jumper.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
It is, really nice. Happy Sunday, team!
Yeah!
It's another beautiful day in Leeds. It's just currently started absolutely pelting down snow. Tentatively game day. Because J-Rank's game got postponed on Friday. He was supposed to play Friday evening, but a few of the games got called off because of the blizzard. Storm Emma, I think they've called it. Did you know that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
Emma, is it?
I think so. So it got called off. It stopped snowing yesterday, but there's still heaps of snow around because the temperatures have stayed super low. It's been in the minus degrees pretty much the whole weekend. But we're just currently, no we're not. Game's on.
Michael Carter is the chairman of Wakey, so...
How do you feel about that?
It's going to be... footy's footy. Played in some bad conditions before in my time, so it's just got to
Well, I
get
can
on
tell you
with
that
it,
I'm
really.
not thrilled about it, and I'm not even going.
I don't know why she's not thrilled about it though. She's not having
Because
me
I
on it.
care for you, and I don't like you playing in these conditions. It's bloody dangerous.
No, it's not dangerous.
It is dangerous.
Why?
Because it's snow. Snow is ice. I don't want you fooling around on ice, and I don't care if the field was covered or not. There's going to be ice in the corners. And you go and do stupid things like sliding into barricades.
No, if it's raining, it'll be fine. Don't even worry about it. Get used to it, because I'm playing today, so it is what it is.
Doesn't mean I have to like it. Are you going to wear your skins?
Yes,
the answer is correct. Yes.
I don't know.
The answer is yes. Who goes out in like -6 wearing shorts and a t-shirt? That's what I want to know.
I'd do that on a normal day if I didn't get so cold. She's just gotta let me be. I'm a peacock, gotta let me fly. I'm a peacock, you gotta let me fly.
Oh, jeez.
And I gotta play Friday. Yes, 4-day, 5-day turnaround. High fives.
Love it. Love it so much.
Yes.
Oh, I've got him back.
Back.
He's a little defeated.
Yep.
Literally and figuratively.
Chalk that one up as a loss on the board.
Yeah, but we're gonna go out to dinner.
Yep.
Just down the road at a little cozy pub. Have a few drinks. It's called the Stew and Oyster because they're famous for stews and oysters.
Oh yeah.
Original. So we're gonna have a stew. He's gonna have a few beers. I'm probably gonna have a wine, and we're just gonna wind down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wind down and just get.
We're gonna wind down like we're doing with this vlog.
Yeah, nice. Good
that was good. That was good, right?
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Great
thank
work.
you. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit of a random vlog. It's bits and pieces all over the place, but we survived the beast from the east. That is the main thing.
Yep.
And it's only going to get better from here, hopefully. But we will see you in the next one. Make sure that you are subscribed. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave me a comment below with what you want to see more of.
Yeah, do that.
See ya.